Hi everybody, it's Bonnie Keith with Video Magic Productions. Well, one of the biggest fears that people have is public speaking. And it's very hard to get over that fear of opening yourself up in public if you're not a professional speaker or a professional actor or a professional performer. And many of us aren't. I happen to be a professional actress, but most of my clients and many of my colleagues and friends are not. And we all know that we need to have an online video presence to help grow our business and create engagement and be able to share our story 24/7. Video is the king of content online right now. Google owns YouTube. YouTube is the largest video hosting site online. And when people are searching for your type of business or service, they're most likely searching either on Google or on YouTube. And when you have a video that will present or promote a certain product or a service, the video will come up, it will rank higher than just text or images alone as far as Google is concerned. So if you want someone to find your business, we know that we need to have a video presence. But many people are afraid of the camera. They get nauseous, they get nervous, their heart starts to flutter, they forget. I've had clients forget their own name, they forget what they want to say. And being in front of a camera is nothing more than being with your best friend. If you can just imagine, just relax, take a couple of deep breaths, and look at that camera and know that it's your best friend, maybe someone that you haven't seen in a while, that has just asked you, what are you up to? What are you doing? And you want to share with them from your heart. Let them know about this amazing new product that you have, something that you've discovered, something new that your business is doing, or just to reintroduce yourself to them. It's nothing more than just sharing. You're not trying to sell them, you're not trying to prove anything, you just are talking to your best friend. So that's one possible way of overcoming your fear of the camera. Another way is to think of that camera, look beyond it, and imagine that there is this huge audience out there, but they're faceless. There's nothing to be frightened of. They're there for you to hear what you have to say, and you don't have to worry, therefore, about looking directly into the camera, because a lot of people will get stuck with their eyes focused, and when you speak normally, you look around, you think, there's a certain naturalness when you're speaking, and we need to have that in your video for it to be compelling and engaging. And so if you look beyond the camera and just share from your heart your true passion, your message, why do you love doing what you do? Why do you love this product that you're selling? Then nothing else matters. There's nothing to be afraid of or ashamed of or fearful of. A third possibility is to think that you're talking to a young child, and maybe a 10-year-old child who's just asked you a question. And you realize that you need to make your points very clear, very understandable. So you speak to them, and you can imagine that they're looking at you like, yes, I'm open and I'm listening to you. There's nothing to be fearful of in sharing your information with a child. But if you do that and you imagine that you are talking to a child, you'll speak slower. You'll really come into contact with your own emotions and your own importance of why you're getting this message across, and take take the time as you're doing this to notice, is this child understanding what you're saying? Oh, you are, then I can go on and I can continue with more of what I need to present to you. So those are 3 ways to help you overcome your fear of the camera. Don't think of it as a camera. Don't think of the end result. Don't worry about your script. I have another video on to script or not to script. And just know that someone out there is looking for you, is looking to hear what you have to say. And the only way for them to do that is for you to just relax, take a deep breath, slowly let them know who you are, what you have, what problems they may have that you can help them overcome, how you can do it, what will do it for them, the before and the after, and conclude it with a call to action that is very simple. You just let them know that if they're interested in getting more information, to give you a call. So if you want any more in-depth on how to relax in front of the camera, let me know so that I can create yet another video and go even into more in-depth so that you can make those incredible, amazing videos that will help you and help your business grow. Thanks again. This is Bonnie Keith with Video Magic Productions.